Hello everyone, I welcome you all again to this class. I hope you all are fine at your home and studying well also. So today we will start our class, but before that we will see this. Here we have two friends. One is Raj and another one is Geeta. Now there are some flowers here. How many flowers? 1, 2, 3 and 4 flowers. Now Raj and Geeta want to divide it or distribute it or share it equally. So how they will share it? There are 4 flowers. So Raj will get 2 flowers and Geeta will get another 2 flowers. So both are getting equal number, 2 and 2, 4 flowers. Next, they are having 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sticks. Now Raj and Geeta want to share the sticks also. That is equally. Now see, Raj 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks are given to Raj. Now let me give to Geeta also. How many left? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Does Raj and Geeta got the same number of sticks? Yes or no? I think the answer is no, because Raj is getting 4 sticks whereas Geeta is getting 3 sticks. So here they are not equally distributed. Here they are equally, they have shared the flowers, but here not. So 4 flowers they are distributing or sharing equally, but 7 sticks they are unable to distribute or share equally. So do you know what we say 4 and 7? No. 4 and 7 are odd and even numbers. 4 is even number because we can share equally, and 7 is an odd number so that we are not able to share equally. So today's topic is odd and even numbers. Odd and even numbers. Now in case of Raj and Geeta, we saw that 4 flowers they are equally sharing, but 7 sticks they are not equally sharing. Now let us come to the numbers 1 to 10 to see what is odd and what is even. See, 1 box and 2 boxes. 1 box we cannot share among 2 friends equally, but 2 boxes we can share equally among 2 friends. Come to 3 boxes. See, 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. Can we share equally among 2 persons? No, because one friend will get 2 box, another friend will get 1 box. Next, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What will happen in this case? Yes, we can share equally, 2 for Raj and 2 for Geeta. Next, 5. Again, same problem. 1 is less. It can't be divided equally. 6. Yes, we can divide equally. 3, 3. 7. Again, can't divide equally or share equally. 8. Yes, we can share equally. 4 and 4. 9. Again, 1 is less. We cannot share equally. 10. Yes, we can share equally. 5 and 5. So, from the numbers 1 to 10, the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are all odd numbers. And the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are all even numbers. Now what is an odd number? An odd number is a number which cannot be divided equally into 2 parts. Understood? An odd number is a number which cannot be divided into 2 equal parts. Whereas an even number is a number which can be equally divided into two parts. Okay, 2 we can divide it into 1 and 1, 4, 2 and 2, 6, 3 and 3, 8, 4 and 4, 10, 5 and 5. So among 1 to 10 numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are all odd numbers, and 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are all even numbers. Now this is, I think so, clear from 1 to 10. Now you will ask a question that, ma'am, okay, 1 to 10 we have understood odd and even. But what about big numbers? If I say 48, if I say 35, how we will find out? Now let us find this. For this we have to learn certain rules. So let me come to the rules. First rule, you see, all the numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the ones place are called even numbers. Again I am repeating, all the numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place are called even numbers. Now let me take one number, 86. Now if I put ones and tens here, so what is the number in the ones place? It is 6. So 6 is an even number. So this is an even number. Even. Okay, clear for a big number. Let me take another number, 204. Again ones place, tens, 100. Ones place I am having 4. So 4 is an even number. We have to follow this rule. Now for odd numbers, all the numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Again I am repeating, all the numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Now let me write one number like 67. Now ones and tens. So what is the ones place number? Ones place number is 7. So 7 is an odd number. So the whole number will become odd. Similarly, if I write 461. Ones, tens and 100. Now ones place I am having 1. So the whole number, ones place 1, so odd. So whole number will become odd. Odd. 461 is an odd number. 67 is an odd number. Whereas 86 is an even number and 204 also is an even number. So these two rules you have to remember. Next, one more thing is there, that after every even number there is an odd number, and after every odd number there is an even number. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 odd, 2 even, 3 again odd, 4 again even, 5 again odd, 6 even, 7 odd, 8 even, 9 odd. So after every even number there is an odd number, and after every even number there is an odd number. This rule fits for all the numbers. Let me write here, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now see, 25 in ones place I am having 5. So 5 odd. So this is odd number. Odd. This is 26. 6. So this is even. 27 odd. This is again even. This is again odd. Clear? So now again let us come to the first section that we have discussed about Raj and Geeta. So 4 flowers, they had even numbers, even flowers. That's why Raj and Geeta could distribute or share it equally, 2 and 2. But they had 7 sticks, which is an odd number. So they couldn't distribute it equally. So I think so, students, you have understood what is odd and even numbers. And for more clear, you have to follow these 2 rules. That all the numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place are called even numbers. And all the numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. And one more thing you have to remember, that even numbers can be equally divided into 2 parts. But odd numbers cannot be divided into 2 equal parts. Another thing, that after every odd number there is an even number, and after every even number there is an odd number. Okay students, this video you watch again and again and you will understand, it will be clear for you what is odd and even numbers. And next class I will give you worksheet on this topic. Thank you.